Ever wondered about the challenges that come with PHP web development? It's a world teeming with its own set of hurdles, such as security vulnerabilities, the struggle to keep up with modernity, and the often frustrating issues with error handling. Each of these can turn a thrilling coding session into a daunting task. But here's the good news. The right PHP framework can be the powerful ally you need to overcome these challenges. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the world of PHP frameworks. First up, we have Laravel, a comprehensive PHP framework. Laravel is loved by many for its elegant syntax. It's designed with readability and simplicity in mind. The syntax is intuitive and expressive, making it easier for developers to understand the code. This elegant syntax, in turn, helps to maintain clean and efficient code, which is a dream come true for any developer. Along with its beautiful syntax, Laravel also boasts a robust ecosystem. It's not just a framework, it's a complete environment for web development. Whether you need an ORM, a queue management system, or a powerful templating engine, Laravel has got you covered. It brings a rich set of tools and libraries right out of the box, reducing the need for third-party packages. This vast ecosystem makes Laravel a one-stop solution for all your web development needs. Now, let's talk about security. In the digital world, security is paramount, and Laravel takes it very seriously. Laravel's codebase is vigorously tested and is constantly being updated to prevent any potential security vulnerabilities. It offers built-in protection against common threats like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, ensuring your application remains secure. What makes Laravel even more appealing, especially for beginners, is its extensive documentation. Laravel's documentation is comprehensive and well-organized, providing clear instructions and examples for every feature. This makes it easy for newcomers to get up and running quickly and efficiently. The Laravel community is also extremely active and supportive, offering a wealth of tutorials, articles, and forums to help you on your journey. So, whether you're a seasoned developer looking for a powerful tool to build complex applications, or a newbie just starting your web development journey, Laravel has a lot to offer. With its elegant syntax, robust ecosystem, and emphasis on security, Laravel is a great all-around option. Laravel is a great all-around option, especially for beginners. Next, let's explore Symfony, the flexible PHP framework. Symfony is the embodiment of flexibility and modularity in the world of PHP frameworks. It's like a box of Legos. You can use as many or as few blocks as you need to build your project. This modularity is what makes Symfony one of the most adaptable frameworks out there. Now, what does this flexibility mean for you? It means that Symfony can be as simple or as complex as you need it to be. You're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, you can tailor Symfony to fit the unique needs and demands of your project. Let's dive deeper into the world of Symfony. One of the standout features of this framework is its extensive PHP components library. This library is a treasure trove of reusable components that can supercharge your web development projects. From security and form management to translation and validation, these components cover a wide range of functionalities. And the best part, you can use these components independently of the Symfony framework. This means that even if you're working on a non-Symfony project, you can still benefit from these powerful tools. But Symfony's flexibility and modularity don't just make it a great choice for small projects. Quite the contrary, Symfony's robustness and scalability make it an excellent choice for big projects as well. Some of the world's biggest and most complex websites are built using Symfony. Symfony is also known for its long-term support versions, which offer maintenance for a minimum of 4 years. This means you can count on Symfony to have your back, even for long-term projects. In short, Symfony offers a flexible, adaptable solution that can tackle a wide range of web development challenges. Its modular architecture, extensive PHP components library, and long-term support make it a strong contender in the PHP framework arena. So, if you're looking for a PHP framework that can handle complex, customizable projects, Symfony is definitely worth a look. Symfony is the go-to for complex, customizable projects. Now, let's take a look at CodeIgniter, the lightweight contender. CodeIgniter, often referred to as the featherweight champion of PHP frameworks, is known for its small footprint. Unlike many of its heavyweight counterparts, CodeIgniter requires just about 2 megabytes to download, including the user guide. This tiny size, however, does not compromise its capabilities. In fact, it's this very lightness that contributes to CodeIgniter's impressive speed. When it comes to performance, CodeIgniter is a sprinter. It's renowned for its rapid response times and efficient resource usage. This is crucial in the world of web development, where every millisecond counts. CodeIgniter's speed can give your website the competitive edge, ensuring visitors aren't left waiting and improving overall user experience. Yet, speed and size aren't the only reasons why developers gravitate towards CodeIgniter. Its simplicity is another key attraction. CodeIgniter is designed with ease of use in mind. It comes with a simple, intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. This simplicity extends to its coding requirements as well. Unlike some other frameworks, CodeIgniter doesn't impose strict coding rules. It's not opinionated about how you write your code. This offers developers a great deal of flexibility, allowing them to code in a way that suits their style and project needs best. CodeIgniter's flexibility also extends to its compatibility. It's designed to work harmoniously with most web hosting platforms, which means you don't have to worry about server requirements. This ease of compatibility, combined with its speed and simplicity, makes CodeIgniter a popular choice among both beginners and experienced developers alike. In a nutshell, CodeIgniter is a powerful yet lightweight PHP framework. It offers the speed you need, the simplicity you desire, and the flexibility you appreciate in a coding environment. It's perfect for those who want to focus on their project rather than wrestling with complicated software. CodeIgniter is the choice for those who value speed and simplicity. Finally, we have Zend, the robust PHP framework. This powerhouse of a framework stands its ground with an unyielding, object-oriented approach, delivering a high degree of functionality that's a perfect fit for complex, enterprise-level applications. Zend is not just a framework, it's a technology stack that gives you the tools to build just about anything. It's like a well-equipped workshop, filled with everything you might need to construct your masterpiece. And like any well-stocked workshop, it's not something you can just walk into and start using without any prior experience or knowledge. The framework's object-oriented nature is one of its defining features. It revolves around concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism that are the bedrock of object-oriented programming. This approach leads to clean, modular code, facilitating maintenance and scalability. Another significant aspect of Zend is its use in enterprise-level applications. The framework is designed to accommodate the complexity and scale of these applications, providing tools and features that can handle high degrees of customization and integration. Whether you're building a complex e-commerce platform or a robust content management system, Zend has got you covered. But with great power comes great complexity. Zend is known for its steep learning curve. It's not for the faint-hearted or the beginner programmer. It demands a high level of knowledge about PHP and object-oriented programming. But don't let that deter you. Like climbing a steep hill, the view from the top is worth the effort. Once you've mastered Zend, you'll find it's a powerful tool in your web development arsenal. But remember, every tool has its place, and every project its requirements. Zend might not be the best choice for small, simple applications due to its complexity. But for large-scale enterprise-level applications that require a robust, highly customizable framework, Zend is a strong contender. Zend is the choice for those who are looking for a robust, enterprise-level framework. So if you're ready to take on the challenge, roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of Zend. You'll find it's a journey worth undertaking. So, which PHP framework is the best? A question that's been the center of our discussion today. We've traversed the landscapes of Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter, and Zend, each with its own unique strength and appeal. Remember, Laravel is the complete package, offering eloquent ORM, routing, queuing, and powerful library collection. It's a go-to for complex applications, but it does demand more resources. Then we have Symfony, the flexible entity. It's a modular framework, letting you pick and choose components as per your project's needs. But it does require a solid understanding of PHP. Next up, we talked about CodeIgniter, the lightweight champion. It's perfect for beginners with its easy setup and excellent documentation. However, it might fall short for more complex applications. Lastly, we delved into Zend, the robust framework. It's powerful and feature-rich, suitable for large-scale enterprise applications. But remember, with great power comes a steeper learning curve. So, the question remains, which one is the best? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best framework is the one that best caters to your project's requirements and matches your skill level. Are you a beginner? CodeIgniter might be your best friend. Building a complex application, Laravel or Zend could be your allies. Need flexibility? Symfony could be the one. In the vast realm of PHP web development, there's no definitive best. It's all about finding the right fit. Your perfect PHP framework is out there waiting for you to master it.